for the dark green areas, sprinkled avocado pearls for the light green areas. These are the mandarin, those are the lemon. And we also have avocado pearls that we have sprinkled on the light green areas of the pictures. So once again, these are the avocado, whereas these are the lime. And these are mandarin, whereas these are the lemon pearls. So this gives your pop diamond painting a nice subtle pearlescent sheen by adding the pearls on random areas that match the color of the pearls. It just gives it an added glisten, an added sparkle. Pop by HOWIE Green in 75 by 50 cm rounds. Special treatment version 3 now adds raspberry crystals over here and over there. So you can choose and decide which particular circles you would like to fill with raspberry crystals. You can also choose to sprinkle them so that you have all of the circles with raspberry crystals, or as what I've done here, I've focused on the smaller circles to fill in with the raspberry crystals.